Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 about putting a name inside of a font or a letter. And I started thinking about sometimes some items, maybe if you didn't convert it to a curve or whatever and you have trouble welding it, like we did in part 1, we can actually use the Smart Fill tool to do the whole thing. So we're going to grab the Smart Fill tool. I'm actually going to set it on a different color. And we're going to fill this in and I'm going to nudge it over twice. Then all I need to do is fill in the inside parts twice. I'm just nudging it over. If I would have made my nudge factor big enough, I would have not had to do this. But you get that. Now we're going to select all this and we're going to left click, right click, and look what you get. We're going to go up to object and break the Well, a lot of times you have to click on that line, go up to object, break the curve apart, and then because we had other items in there, and then for sure take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and move it out of the way, and then left click, right click, and why I do that is because these are still different parts, where now this is all one part. So that would probably be even for some of us, maybe even quicker. It's not going to be really any better. It's just, sometimes the weld tool just doesn't work on some items. So there's another way around it. So I'm still going to make another part on how to do these embellishments. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.